LG gas range, how to use the cooktop. This video will show you how to use the cooktop on a gas range. Caution: to avoid burns, wear oven mitts or use pot holders if you need to touch any part of the cooktop while it is still hot. For safety, wait until the range has cooled down before lifting grates, burner heads, or caps. How to use the cooktop. To ignite each burner, push the burner's control knob and turn it to the light position. You will hear a clicking sound. It is normal to hear all 5 spark igniters on the cooktop activating when you ignite just one burner. Turn the control knob to control the flame size. Ignite each burner and make sure the flames are even all the way around. Even if the surface burner flame goes out, gas is still flowing to the burner until the knob is turned to the off position. If the burner doesn't reignite on its own, turn the knob to the off position to stop the gas flow. If you smell gas, immediately open a window and ventilate the area for 5 minutes prior to using the burner.